Hi friends, we're ready for Unit 7, Week 1, Day 2. The first thing that we're going to do is review our new glued sounds. So say them with me. Here we go. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. All right, now we're going to review. Here we go. A-N, fan, an. A-M, ham, am. A-L-L, ball, all. W-H, whistle, w. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, ship, sh. All right, now we're going to look at some words and we're going to mark them up. Are you ready? All right, so I want you to get your lion paws out and let's tap them. Are you ready? Here's our first one. W-ing, wing. S-ung, sung. H-ang, hang. K-ing, king. B-ang, bang. All right, now let's go ahead and mark these words up. All right, in w-ing, wing, what do I need to mark up? I need to mark the I-N-G, ing, because it's a what? Glued sound. And what do I do for a glued sound? I put a box around it. All right, here's our second word. Do you remember what it was? S-ung, sung. What do I need to do to mark this word up? I need to put a box around U-N-G for sung because ung is a glued sound. All right, let's do our third word. Ang, hang. What do I need to do to mark this word up? That's right. I need to put a box around ang because it's a glued sound. All right, here's our next word. Let's tap it. K-ing, king. I need to put a glued sound around I-N-G because it's a glued sound. I need to put a box around it. All right, last one. B-ang, bang. I need to put a box around what? A-N-G because it's a glued sound. All right, next we're going to review some of our trick words. All right, let's say the trick words with me. As, has, to, into, we, he, she, be, me, for, or, from, have, do, does, you, your, I, they, was, one, said, the, a, and, is, his, of, were, are, who, what, when, where, there, here, why, by, my, put, to, some, come, very, to, could, would, her, should, see, now, out, hour, down, want, little, look, good, new. Feel free to rewind and practice those again. Those are always good to practice. Those are words you should just know without sounding out. All right, today we're going to be thinking about some words and we're going to come up with some rhyming words. All right, are you ready? Okay, so our first word is going to be thing. Let's tap it out. Oh, ing, thing. Ing. I want a rhyming word to go with thing. Can you think of a rhyming word? I'm thinking about our cards, and one of those is ring, right? Ring. Ing. Do those rhyme? Yes. All right, let's do ang. Hang. Can you think of a word that rhymes with hang? That would work. Fang. Ang. Fang. Great job. Let's do another one. Let's do sung. Sung. Can you think of a rhyming word that would go with sung? I'm thinking about our cards, right? And it says U-N-G. Lung, ung. Sung and lung rhyme. All right, let's do another one. Let's do, let's do, let's do this word. Oops. Long, long. Can you think of a word that rhymes with long? Oh, I'm thinking about our cards, right? And we say O-N-G, song, ong. Great job rhyming. Okay, now I need you to get out a piece of paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker, something to write on and with. All right, if you don't have your stuff, push pause and then push play when you're ready. Okay, here we go. Your first sound that I want you to write is ang. Write what letters make the sound ang. Push pause and then push play when you're ready. All right, ang is spelled A-N-G, ang. All right, here is your second sound. Your second sound is ing. Write what says ing. Push pause, and when you're ready, push play to check your answer. See if you were right. Ing. I-N-G says ing. All right, let's do another one. Our next sound that I want you to write is ong. Ong. Write the letters that make the sound ong. Push pause and then push play when you're ready. Ong. O-N-G spells ong. All right, let's do one more. I want to know what says ung. Write the letters that make the ung sound. Ung. Push pause and then push play when you're ready to check. Ung. U-N-G spells ung. Great job. All right, now we're going to do some words. Are you ready? Okay, your first word is maps. Let's tap it out. Are you ready? App, map, maps. All right, write it. Go ahead and push pause, write the word maps, and then click play when you're ready to check. All right, here is our word maps. M-A-P-S, maps. Now, if I was marking this word up, right, what would I mark? My base word is, what is it? Map. I underline my base word. And my suffix is S, so I would circle my suffix. All right, let's do another one. Our next word is bang. Bang. Let's tap it. B-ang. Bang. All right, go ahead and push pause. And when you have it wrote, you can unpause it and check your answer. Now, make sure you mark it up. All right. Bang. B-A-N-G. Bang. I put a box around ang because it's a glued sound. All right. Here's our next word. Are you ready? Our next word is wing. Wing. The bird only has one wing. Now, I'm going to let you tap this one by yourself, and then we'll check and see if you got it right. So go ahead and tap out wing, write it, and mark it up. Push play when you're ready to check. Wing. W-I-N-G. Wing. And I put a box around my I-N-G because it is a glued sound. All right, let's do another word. Our next word is hung. I hung a lot of pictures. Hung. Go ahead and tap it and write your word. Make sure you mark it up when you're ready to check. Click play. All right, here's our word. Hung. H-U-N-G. Hung. And I put a box around U and G because it's a glued sound. All right, here's our next word. Our next word is song. Song. Go ahead and tap it, write it, and mark it up. Click pause when you're done. Click play to check. Song. All right, here's song. S-O-N-G. Song. We put a box around O-N-G. Why? Because it's a glued sound. Great job. All right, I have a tricky one for you. Are you ready? Okay, this word is hall. Like, please walk down the hall. Hall. Go ahead and tap it out and write it and mark it up. Click pause when you're ready. Click play. Hall. All right. Now, hall is a little bit tricky, right? Here is hall. H-A-L-L. It's important to remember when we hear the all sound, that is A-L-L. All. And we have to put a box around it because it's a glued sound. All right, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.